Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have seen method of variation of parameter, and we have solved that method of variation of parameter by using that formula for A and B, and we have applied in the assumed complete solution, and we got the complete solution by using that. Now we'll see one more kind of differential equation. Here we are going to reduce the differential equation, then we are going to solve. So the next concept is what here? A linear differential equation with variable coefficient. A linear differential equation with variable coefficient which can be reduced to linear differential equation with constant coefficient by suitable substitution. So here we have two kinds of linear equation. One is a Legendre linear equation and second one is a Cauchy's linear equation. We'll see one by one. What do you mean by this Legendre differential linear equation? A equation of the form I have taken for quadratic form, that is order 2. Just see here. So a naught ax plus b whole square y double dash plus a1 ax plus b raised to 1 here, nothing means 1 raised to 1 of y dash plus a2 y equal to phi of x. See here, if it is y double dash, this bracket should be whole square. If y dash is there, the power of bracket should be 1. If not, we have to rearrange. This is anyhow general form, so they have given directly, but while solving the examples you have to check that the bracket should be square if it is y double dash. Similarly, you may get ax plus b whole cube, then you should get what here? Y triple dash plus a1 into ax plus b whole square of y double dash, and so on. So right now I am using here quadratic form. So based on this we are going to describe the general form here. So this equation 1 is going to called Legendre linear equation of second order. Equation can be, this equation is what here with coefficient and all, we are going to reduce this first. So equation can be reduced to a linear equation with constant coefficient by this substitution. So what is the substitution? We'll see here. So the substitution is ax plus b. So I have taken this ax plus b, we have to replace by e raised to t. Okay, remember ax plus b is equal to e raised to t is the first substitution. So if you shift this e to the right hand side, it will become log. So therefore, so from this we'll get the answer. T value will get, t is nothing but log of ax plus b. So remember these substitutions, ax plus b is equal to e raised to t and t is equal to log of ax plus b. And one more thing, so here we know that y double dash is there. This y double dash supposed to be replaced in terms of capital D, but here capital D stand for d by dt. Okay, so capital D stand for what here? Differentiation of any function what they will give with respect to t. Now we have few more substitutions. The bracket ax plus b of y dash is going to be replaced as a into d of capital D of y. Ax plus b whole square of y double dash will be replaced as a square d of d minus 1 of y. Ax plus b whole cube of y triple dash will be replaced by a cube d minus 1 d minus 2 of y. Similarly, you just see here ax plus b raised to 4 of y, fourth differentiation will be what here? A raised to 4 d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 of y. So this substitution we need to apply to solve the examples. Now we have second type, that is second concept here, that is Cauchy's linear equation. Cauchy's linear equation. So just now we have seen the Legendre linear equation, that is a naught ax plus b whole square of y double dash plus a1 ax plus b y plus it is y dash ax plus b of y dash plus a2y is equal to phi of x. Just now we have seen this is nothing but a legendary linear equation. Now in this legendary linear equation, you substitute a is equal to 1 here and b is equal to 0 in throughout the expression. So what happens here? I have written, just see, a naught as it is. A is 1 into x, b is 0 whole square of y double dash plus a1 as it is. A is 1 into x as it is, plus b is 0 y dash, plus we don't have anything, so a2y as it is equal to phi of x. So on simplification we will get a naught x square y double dash plus a1 x of y dash plus a2y is equal to phi of x. So this expression is nothing but a Cauchy's linear equation. Okay, so this expression is nothing but Cauchy's linear equation, and here also we are going to be substitute the values for x and x square y double dash and x y dash also. Okay, we'll see that what is that substitution. The substitution is put x is equal to e raised to t. So just see, in the legendary we have taken ax plus b is equal to what here, e raised to t, but in Cauchy's it is x is equal to e raised to t and t is nothing but log of x. This is a substitution for your Cauchy's, and d is nothing but it will be d by dt, and here so x y dash is going to be replaced by d into y, x square y double dash will be replaced by d into d minus 1 of y, x cube of y triple dash will be replaced by d into d minus 1 d minus 2 of y, and x raised to 4 of y dash y4 dash is going to replace by d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 of bracket into y. So these are the substitution for Cauchy's. So based on this legendary and Cauchy's linear equations, we are going to solve the examples which are very important for examination point of view.